Welcome to One Question at a Time, a SAT series. Question number 21. Solve for x. Given fifth root of 3 to the power of 25. Let's review some note. We have parts of a radical. Find the number stand in front of the radical is the coefficients of the radical. We say cube root, so number 3 stands for the index number or the root. We have the radical symbol, and anything under the square, under the radical symbol, is called radicand. If the index is not shown, is it implied to be 2 or square root? Like radicals have the same radicand and index. So for example, if we have here 5, cube root of 7 is mean you have 5 cube root of 7 added together. So, like the last video, we have this is the same term, or here is the same radicand and the same index, so they're the same term, so we can add them up, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That make up 5 cube root of 7. Then we have some of the formula. We will have the end root of some a numbers to the m power. This one also equal to end root of a all to the m power. We can rewritten it at a, the power on the top at the numerators, and the root is at the bottom at the denominators. So end root of a to the power of m, that equal to a to the power of m divided by n. We also have root n and root m inside of a, that is root n times m of a. Also, we're talking about the, for example, if we have square root of a square. So we know that the index is not shown, it means it's 2. And as long as the index is equal to the power, you can cancel the root and the power at the same time and get one factor of that numbers. So this one will be a. Since the root, this is the root n and the power m that equal, you can take out 1. If we have square root of a cube, it could be a square root of a. Since this one is 2, every 2 factor we take out once. So this is the first 2, and then the one left inside still stuck inside the radical. Or if we write it in terms of the fractions of the powers, we will have a to the powers of 3 over 2. Okay, so because we have so many ways to solve for these questions, let's do the first one. We were working inside out. Okay, so we have fifth root of 3 to the power of 25. That will be fifth root of the inside. We have 3 to the power of 25, then divide by 5. Over 5. That's how it comes from. So this one will be fifth root of 3 to the power of 5. Then we do it one more time. Have 5 root 5 of power 5. That will be equal 3 to power 5 over root 5. That's equal 3 to the power of 1. That is 3. The second way we can do with this one is we will use this one. So we have fifth root of 3 to the power of 25. We'll combine the root by 5 times 5 to of 3 to the power of 25. The 5 is coming from this one is 5 and that 5. From 2 radical, we combine into 1. Now this one will be 25th root of 3 to the power of 25. And again, we have 25 over 25, that 3 to the power of 1, that equal 3. The top is the power. The bottoms is the index number. So this is 25 coming from. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.